Good morning. Are you Daniel Eli? Mr. Eli, did you get a lawyer hired?
Oh, no, I'm still working on it.
Who'd you talk to?
My kid is,
You did not talk to Raquel West because that's me.
I'm sorry. I'm discombobulated right now.
So did you write it down somewhere?
Brittany Holmes.
Uh-huh.
I got it on my phone, but I don't have my phone with me.
Okay.
Brittany Holmes and Crenshaw and Lane Walker.
Okay.
I talked to a couple of more too, but I can't really remember their name.
All right. So did you go visit with them or did you just talk to them on the phone?
Over the phone about their price ranges and stuff.
Are you working?
Yes, now I'm trying to.
You're trying to work or you are working?
The job that I work is not like constant, but I do have a little interview today. I'm trying to make it to.
Where's that?
It is retirement home on my something about college.
Called what?
I don't know the name of it. Willie, my sister, got me an interview there.
Okay.
It's a retirement home on College Street for maintenance.
Okay.
Cleanup.
So where are you working a little right now?
The port on my only when I can go.
Okay. Let's see. So you've been coming now for several months.
This on my second visit.
Second?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check something real quick. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Eli, is reset your case one more time. You need to try to get someone hired before that next court date.
Yes.
If not, you need to visit with at least 3 others. You can tell by talking to them, they all charge different amounts and have different payment plans and things like that. You need to bring me that information, write it down, bring me who you've talked to, how much they charge, if you've gone in person, if you're just calling. I want you to actually try to get somebody hired, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Good morning, ma'am. You're Crystal Robertson. And Ms. Robertson, this is your initial appearance. And cause number 25 DCCR 1256, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of forging a governmental instrument from June 4th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I was in correspondence with Ms. Tanika Solomon. Shortly after the holidays, I can no longer get in touch with her, so I have a consultation meeting with Wilkerson on January 19th.
Okay, perfect. So what I'll do, Ms. Robertson, is reset your case about 30 days.
Okay.
If you get someone hired before that next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
If you're unable to hire someone before that next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Good morning. You're Jorge Del Fiero,
Yes, ma'am.
and were you able to hire a lawyer?
Right, Kendall, I paid him $300, but he said since the charge went up, he would have to, I had to pay more. So
Right.
they told me just to get a piece of paper for them to fill out, or for the hire him as my lawyer. Like so.
He
So
told,
I get back to y'all, my bad.
say it
I
again.
gotta get a paper from y'all, so he can fill out and bring it back to court.
So once you make all of your payments with him, he'll file something with us that tells us that he's been hired. Did you have a receipt for what you paid him?
At the house.
Okay.
I had to reverse it.
All right, so I'm gonna, I'll reset your case about 30 days. Do you think you'll be able to get them hired in
Yes,
full by
ma'am.
then? All right, so bring the reset notice that you get from us to his office so they know when that court date is when you make your payment, and then they'll tell you what to do. If for some reason you don't make all the payment in full, but you make partial payment, bring me the receipts as well, okay? Step in front of the clerk. Right, Kimler.
Yes.
Good morning, you're Maria Garza?
Yes.
And Ms. Garza, were you able to get someone hired?
Oh, no, ma'am, but I spoke to 3 attorneys. Burnett Holmes, she's asking $5,500 and half down. And Franklin is $10,000 half down and $250 a week. And where the mark is up to 5,000.
Are you working?
I'm high social appointment.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, thank you for doing what I asked, Ms. Garza, I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill that out accurately and completely. So whatever income you do have, you need to make sure and include it with your bills and all of that, because you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it.
And also, I have receipts on my phone. Is that fine?
Just write it all down. You're gonna get a form, and you need to write all of those down on this paperwork, okay?
Okay.
Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you the paperwork. Good morning. You're DeMark Cole.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Cole, were you able to get someone hired?
I had talked to Crenshaw, Wilkerson, and
Who?
Reed,
Rennick.
and they were out of my price.
Are you working?
I'm trying to, I just started, but I haven't got paid or anything.
With what? With who?
Walmart, the remodeling people.
Okay.
So,
But you know what your income is going to be on that? What you're gonna make it per hour, kinda?
yes, ma'am.
So what I'm gonna do is have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Cole, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Thank you for doing what I asked you to. You need to fill that out accurately and completely. Just leave it all blank. Do the best you can to fill it out. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, okay? Step in front of the clerk and she'll give you that paperwork. Good morning, sir. You're Isaiah Tyson. And Mr. Tyson, were you able to get someone hired? Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Lloyd Razzo, I talked to Kent Johns, I talked to Corey Crenshaw, and I talked to, Brittany Holmes.
Okay, good. Are you working?
I received this.
You do? So, Mr. Tyson, you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. I can get you taken care of this morning. Is that what you want to do?
Yes,
All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she might need you to sit for a few minutes and wait, or she might have that information. Okay, have a step right here and she'll let you know who that's gonna be. You're Lance Sharpino. And Mr. Sharpino, since you've made bond this time, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am, I have not. I talked to Mr. Crenshaw once again to see if he could work with me a little bit, but it's still, he owed me $4,000 down before we can start. Talked to Mr. Wilkerson, and then a Miss Robin, I forget which place Miss Robin is from, but I've talked to all three of them. I start work tomorrow, going back to the plants, making more money, so I'll be able to see what I can do.
Perfect. So thank you for doing what I've asked you to do. I'll reset your case about 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Do your best to try to get someone hired. If not, at least narrow it down to who you're planning on. If you've made any payments, bring me those receipts.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, step in front of the clerk.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. You're Mark Marceau? And Mr. Marceau, were you able to get a lawyer hired?
No, you were gonna call me, bring some papers in to show my.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
You told me to bring some papers in to show my social security.
Yeah. You can give them to the clerk.
I have it,
Just give it to the clerk. I'll take a look at it.
and this will be social.
All right, I'm going to find based on this that you do qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. If you will step in front of the clerk, she'll let you know who that's going to be and what your instructions are. Step right in front of this clerk. I'm going to give you a court-appointed lawyer, and she's going to tell you who that is and give you their information. Yes, sir. Thank you for bringing that. Good morning. You're Kevin Calise. And Mr. Calise, were you able to get someone hired?
Oh, no, ma'am.
All right, did you talk to some lawyers? Speak up, please.
I talked to Joe Vasquez, Kelly, and James,
Okay,
and also Crenshaw.
okay. And where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm about to switch your office.
I'm sorry. Y'all, I can't hear. I'm having a hard time hearing. So if I can get you all to please keep it down. Say it again.
I'm about to switch jobs because the job that I have right now is barely giving me any hours.
Okay.
So, maybe in about a month, I'll be able to hire somebody.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for doing what I asked. I'll reset your case in normal about 30 days or so. If you get someone hired, bring this reset notice to them. If not, make sure you've talked to some others, or if you've selected one that you're going to hire and made a payment, bring a receipt, things like that, okay? Step in front of the clerk.